Is it audible my voice? ఓకే ఎవ్రీవన్ చాట్ లో ప్రతి ఒక్కరు మీ రోల్ నంబర్ టైప్ చేయండి మీ అకౌంట్ నుంచి. ఇన్ ద చాట్ టైప్ యువర్ రోల్ నంబర్. చాట్ బాక్స్ లో ఎవరి అకౌంట్ నుంచి వాళ్ళ రోల్ నెంబర్ టైప్ చేయండి, పింగ్ చేయండి. మీ రోల్ నెంబర్ పింగ్ చేస్తే ఐ విల్ లేటర్ నోట్ ఇట్ డౌన్ యాజ్ ఏ అటెండెన్స్. నేను తర్వాత నోట్ చేసుకుంటా అండి. ఎవ్రీవన్ జస్ట్ మీ రోల్ నెంబర్ని మీ చాట్ దాంట్లో పింగ్ చేయండి. ఎస్ 519 ఎలాగైతే పింగ్ చేశారో అలా అందరూ కూడా ఎవరి అకౌంట్ నుంచి వాళ్ళు. ఎవరైనా మర్చిపోయారంటే ఐఎమ్ సారీ, ఇంకా అటెండెన్స్ లో రాదండి. Okay, previously we have seen the big data types we have seen. Now, okay, big data types, when we come to the big data types, okay, atom is a scalar data type which can store only single value. When we come to the complex data types, we have tuple, bag, and map. These three are the complex data types which can store multiple values. Clear? That is what we have seen in the previous class about this one. Now today we have to see the continuation of the data types. We have to see what are the important Pig Latin operations. What are the important Pig Latin operations? That's we want to know on the today's class. Clear? What are the important operations and what are the important operators, which is continuation to the Pig data types. We have to see what are the Pig Latin operations. See, when we come to the Pig Latin operations, basically the operations of Pig Latin is divided into two categories. Okay, one category is the accessing of data. The second category is the processing of data. The operations of the Pig Latin in Hadoop. Okay, the operations are categorized into two types: accessing data, transforming data. In the Hadoop point of view, Pig Latin operations are basically two categories. One is accessing the data. The other one is transforming the data. Okay, when we come to accessing the data means, okay, loading of the data, storing of the data, and streaming of the data. That means transferring of the data. Okay, when we come to the accessing of the data, okay, in the Hadoop context of view, what is the accessing of data means? Loading, storing, or streaming of the data is called accessing the data. And in the same Hadoop point of view, what is transforming of the data means? Grouping of the data, joining of the data, or combining of the data, splitting, filtering, sorting, all these things are come under the transforming of data. Clear? When we come to the Pig Latin operations, in the Hadoop point of view, basically there are two categories: accessing data operations, transforming data operations. Two categories of operations are there in the view of Hadoop. Okay, accessing data means, in the point of Hadoop, what is meant by accessing of the data means loading of the data or storing of the data is the accessing of the data. And what is transforming of the data means joining, grouping, combining, filtering, all the works we are doing are come under the category of transforming of data in the point of view of Hadoop. Clear? Now we will see the list of what are those important operations and their operators available in the Pig Latin. What are the various Pig Latin operations and operators are given here. See, already we told in the Hadoop point of view, the operations are classified into two types: data access, data transformation. Basically two types, they are classified into two types: data access and data transformations. Now we will clearly see, when we come to data access, what are the various operators available, what are their work. When we come to the data access, see, when we come to the data access, the various operators available are the load or store. Load or store. Previously we have seen load already. Load and store we have seen. For reading of the data from the file system, we use load. Store means writing the data to the file system is called store. Load means from the file system we are reading the file. Store means we are storing the data file into the file system. It is called the storing. Read operation is the load, write operation is the file, which is mainly to the file system. Next, dump means it is also similar to store. Okay, it is also similar to store, but dump means writing the output data to the standard output. That means writing data to the screen is called dump. Storage and the dump both are writing the output data only, but the difference is dump will write the output data to the screen, whereas store will write the output data to some file in the file system. Output ని file లో స్టోర్ చేసుకుంటే that operation is called store operation. అలా కాకుండా file లో స్టోర్ చేసుకోకుండా if you display the output on the screen, it is called the dump operation. Clear? Right. Right. Dump operation. Okay. See, next operation is the stream operation. Stream means send all records in the form of binary format. Sending of the data. Records means rows in the data. Okay. Send all the data in the form of rows through binary format is called streaming. Streaming means nothing but the transferring of the data in the form of binary format. That operation is the stream operator. Okay. For streaming, we use the stream operator. Next, for each operator. Okay. For each, it is for each is the name itself indicating. Okay, to apply anything on a particular record, to each record to apply, we use this for each. Apply expression to each record. Okay, to apply the any conditions or any operations to each record, we use this for each. Next, filter. Okay, to filter the data which we want. Okay, to remove the unwanted data, we use this filter operator. Okay, whenever we want to filter some data, we use this filter from the data. We want to filter some rows, we want to delete some rows or like that, we use this filter. This filter is similar to that of our select operation, select one. Okay, filter is also similar to our select in the SQL. By using the filter, we will select whatever we want to select. Next, group or co-group. Okay, group or co-group. These operations are nothing but grouping of the data. Group or co-group when comes to grouping of the data. It is similar to our group by in the SQL. SQL we have seen the group by. Okay, basing on some condition, it will group the data. Okay, same primary key unnai ganivandi leda same age, same marks like that. Basing on the condition we have specified, it will group the data. Grouping of the data. Next, join means joining of two or more records. To join two or more records, we use this join. It is also similar to that of our SQL join operation. Okay, we have the left outer join, right outer join, equi join. We have seen many types of join operators in the SQL. It will do the same work. Okay, these are the data access operators. Load or store, dump, stream, for each, filter, group or co-group, join. And when we come to the second category, transformation operations. Data transformation operators are the data transformation operators are cross. To apply Cartesian product similar to your SQL also. This is also similar to our SQL. In the SQL also we have the cross product. Cartesian product we are finding. Okay, cross operator indicates the Cartesian product. Order to sort the data. Okay, it is also similar to our SQL order by. SQL we have the order by. Okay, same thing here, order will do. Distinct, SQL, it is also similar to distinct means removing of the duplicate. Okay, మన SQL లో కూడా select distinct of రాస్తున్నామండి. Select distinct of sailor names. That means only it will remove the duplicates and only any duplicate data is there. Only one time it will represent the data. That is a distinct keyword similar to our SQL only. Union similar to of our SQL, merging of two data sets, splitting, dividing the data into two or more parts is the splitting. Limit to. Okay, limit means to take a subset of the records. Okay, up to how many rows you want to consider, limit will be there. In the when we come to SQL, generally this limit is not directly operator is there, but we will give in the form of condition. How many rows we have to count by using the count operator. We count the things. Here also that same work will be done by this limit. It is almost equal to the count operator, aggregate operator in our SQL, but not exactly similar work. Okay, these are the some major operations and operators available in the Apache Pig-Latin. When we come to our Pig-Latin, these are the major operators and operations available. Load, dump, store, stream, for each, filter, group, co-group, join. All these belongs to the first category, data access category. Second one is data transformation category. Clear? క్రాస్ ఆర్డర్ డిస్టింక్ట్ యూనియన్ స్ప్లిట్ లిమిట్ ఇవన్నీ మీకు చూస్తే ఒక ఐడియా వస్తుంది. మనకి ఎస్క్యూఎల్ ఐడియా ఉన్న వాళ్ళకైతే ఇమీడియట్లీ దే విల్ గెట్ ఐడియా. ఎస్, ఎస్క్యూఎల్ లో ఐడియా ఉంటే అదే వర్క్ జరుగుతుంది. సిమిలర్ వర్క్ విల్ బి డన్ హియర్. కొంచెం సింటాక్స్ చేంజ్ అవుతుంది కానీ ద వర్క్ విల్ బి సిమిలర్ వన్. సో అక్కడ ఐడియా ఉన్నవాడికి ఇక్కడ హ్యాపీ అండి. అందుకే మన ఫస్ట్ లో చెప్తుంది అపాచీ పిగ్లాటిన్ ఈజ్ వెరీ సింపుల్ ఇఫ్ యూ నో ద బేసిక్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎస్క్యూఎల్. ఎస్క్యూఎల్ బేసిక్స్ వస్తే ఈజీ అన్నది ఎందుకంటే ఇందులో ఉండేవి అన్ని సిమిలర్ గా ఉంటాయండి. ఓకే, దీస్ ఆర్ ద మేజర్ operations and operators available in the Apache Pig Latin. Clear? Along with those operators, okay, the pig also provides some more operators for debugging and troubleshooting. Okay, for debugging and troubleshooting the errors, it will provide few more operators. What are those operators? For debug operation, okay, it will provide 3 operators: describe, dump, explain. Describe means return the schema of a relation. Schema means overall planning of the relation, how to store the data in the table. Overall planning of the table is the schema. Describe operator will return the schema of the table. Okay, to rectify some problems, sometimes we want to know the schema of the relation. Okay, whenever we want to know the schema of the relation, we use the keyword describe. Sorry, here not keyword, operator describe. By using the help of operator describe, we will get the schema of the relation. Similarly, dump is there. Whenever we want to display the total relation on the screen, total contents of the relation on the screen, we can use this dump. Okay, already we told previously list also we have the dump. To display the output data on the screen, we are using the dump. Okay, dump will display whatever the output given to that one, output records given to that one, that output will be displayed on the screen. To display output on the screen, we use the dump. To store the output on some file, we use the store operator. Store operator to store the output on the file. Dump to store the output on the screen. That is a small difference between dump and the store. Next, explain. Okay, explain will, this operator will display the MapReduce execution plans. Okay, of how we are converting the Apache Pig Latin script into the MapReduce task. That will explain this one. By this command explain, describe, dump, explain, these 3 belongs to the debug operation. Okay, for troubleshooting and debugging, additionally these 3 are available. Clear? Briefly, this is the concept of major operators and operations of the Pig Latin. What are the major operations and operators available in the Pig Latin means this is that concept. Clear? Now, if it is clear, we will go for one more topic of that is called the execution modes. Evaluation of Pig scripts. Okay, what are the platforms available for executing the running the Pig scripts? For running the Pig scripts, what are the various platforms available? We have to know the execution modes of Pig scripts. Okay, evaluating local and distributed mode means nothing but this concept is nothing but execution modes of Pig script. Okay, how many modes are available for executing the Pig script? That we will now see a small concept. Now I think you have some small idea about the operators. Is it clear? Why? Because in the future classes we want to know about those, we want to use those operators. If it is clear, now we will see the evaluation of the Pig scripts. Guys, are you getting my voice? Okay, when we come to this evaluation of the local and distributed Pig, when we come to the execution of the Pig script, okay, the Pig server can handle the Pig programs in 2 ways. Okay, there are 2 modes are available for running the Pig script. The Pig server has 2 modes available for running the Pig programs. Very simple modes are there. We have two modes are available for running the Pig scripts. They are, first one is the local mode, second one is the map reduce mode. Clear? When we come to the running of the Pig scripts, we have two modes are available. First mode is the local mode, second mode is the map, sorry, and spelling mistake, map reduce mode. P miss ayindi. Map reduce mode, which is also called as the Hadoop mode. Map reduce mode is also known as the Hadoop mode. Sorry. Now, what is this? Can you, basing on the name, can you guess what is this local mode? Basing on its name. How can we define this local mode? Local mode. Very simple only. Local, the name itself, the word is giving some clue. If the Pig script is running in a local system instead of the Hadoop system cluster, if the Pig script is running in a local system, file system, it is known as the local mode. If the Pig script is running on a local file system instead of Hadoop cluster, it is known as the local mode. HDFS, Hadoop HDFS use చేసుకోకుండా మన లోకల్ ఫైల్ సిస్టమ్ లో కనుక రన్ అయితే ఇట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ఎ లోకల్ మోడ్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, అంటే మన సిస్టమ్ లో మన హడూప్ తో కనెక్ట్ అవ్వలేదు. My laptop is not connected to Hadoop. If I run the Pig script in my laptop itself, which is not connected to the Hadoop cluster, it is called as the local mode. Running of the Pig scripts in a local file system which is not connected to the Hadoop, it is known as the local mode. The next one is the map reduce mode or Hadoop mode or distributed mode, whatever the name, map reduce mode or Hadoop mode or distributed mode. If you take the second name, Hadoop mode, we will get some idea. What is that one? Okay, if we run the Pig scripts in a Hadoop cluster instead of on a local file system, if you run the Hadoop Pig script in a Hadoop cluster, then it is known as the Hadoop mode or map reduce mode or distributing mode, whatever the name we have, distributed mode or Hadoop mode or map reduce mode. Briefly, we will see the points of the local mode. Okay, in local mode, all the Pig scripts are run on a single machine without requiring Hadoop map reduce and HDFS. In a local mode, first point is all the Pig scripts are run on a single machine without requiring Hadoop map reduce and HDFS. Generally, this local mode is used for testing your Pig logic. After writing the Pig script, first we will run for testing the Pig script. We will use this local mode instead of directly working using that Pig script in a Hadoop mode in the Hadoop server. Simply first we write the Pig script, then we will verify that one in the local mode. Okay, this local mode is useful for developing and testing Pig logic. Whatever the Pig script you have written to verify your Pig logic in your Pig program, we use this local mode. If we are using a small set of data to develop or test our code, then local mode could be faster than going through map reduce infrastructure. అంటే మన రాసిన పిగ్ స్క్రిప్ట్ ని ఒక స్మాల్ డేటా సెట్ తీసుకొని దాని మీద వెరిఫై చేసుకోవాలనుకున్నప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేస్తాము, ఇట్ ఈస్ బెటర్ టు రన్ ద పిగ్ స్క్రిప్ట్ ఇన్ లోకల్ మోడ్ దాన్ దట్ ఆఫ్ ద మ్యాప్ రెడ్యూస్. మ్యాప్ ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్ మొత్తం క్రియేట్ చేసిన బదులు జస్ట్ మనం పిగ్ స్క్రిప్ట్ రాసాము, ఒక స్మాల్ సెట్ ఆఫ్ డేటా మీద అది వర్క్ అవుతుందా లేదా వెరిఫై చేసుకోవాలి. ఓన్లీ అవర్ ఎయిమ్ ఇస్ టు వెరిఫై ద డేటా. అలాంటప్పుడు విచ్ మోడ్ ఈస్ బెస్ట్ మీన్స్ ఇన్ దట్ కేస్ ద లోకల్ mode is very useful. Why? Because the user can fastly and easily verify the pig script. He can easily verify his pig script, or he can develop the pig script, or he can test his pig script code whether it is working perfectly or not by considering a small set of data. Clear? The local mode doesn't require Hadoop. Already we discussed that one. When we run in a local mode, when we run the pig script in a local mode, the pig program runs in the context of a local Java virtual machine. Okay, the pig program takes help of the local Java virtual machine. Okay, and the data access is via local file system of a single machine. Clear? Internally, when we are running a local mode, how the pig program will run means the pig program will take help of the local Java virtual machine, whatever the Java JVM installed in our system. Okay, it will run with the help of that JVM. and it will access the local file system. It will access data through local file system, and it will work with the help of the local JVM. Clear. Local mode is actually a local simulation of MapReduce in Hadoop local job runner class. Okay, overall, we will briefly consider what is this local mode means. What is this local mode means? Local mode is nothing but running of the pig script on a single machine which is not connected to Hadoop is called local mode. Running of a pig script on a single machine which is not connected to the Hadoop MapReduce is known as the local mode. Why? What is the use of this local mode is, okay, to test your pig script, whether your pig script is working perfectly or not, before directly using in the MapReduce. First, when we write the pig script, we will verify the pig script on a small data set with the help of this local mode. In the local mode, we will go for trial version. If it is success, then we will take that big script and we will apply on the MapReduce. Clear. Mana Hadoop MapReduce enduku vartamo, the Hadoop will contain huge data files are there in the Hadoop cluster. So directly testing on the huge data sets is not good. So we will take a small data set on the local file system and we verify that one using the pig script, which is okay. If it is okay in the local mode, if the pig script is working perfectly on the small data set, then we will apply the same pig script to the MapReduce of the Hadoop cluster. Okay, to analyze the huge amount of data. That is the main purpose of this local mode. Clear. And when in a single system, how it will work means in a single system, the pig script will run using local JVM and it will access the data using local file system. In a local mode, it will take help of the JVM, local JVM, and it will access data using the local file system. That is the briefly the local file system. So in one line, what is the use of local mode means? The use of local mode is for testing your pig script. For testing the code you have written in your pig script, we will use the local mode. If it is working successfully in local mode, we will use the same pig script in the Hadoop cluster. In the Hadoop cluster, instead of the single machine, it will be executed on a Hadoop cluster. Here, the pig script will be converted into a series of MapReduce jobs, and then they will run on the Hadoop cluster. Here, what will happen is the pig script will be converted into a series of MapReduce tasks, and those tasks will run on the Hadoop cluster. Clear. So two modes are there. One is local mode, one is MapReduce mode. Actually, our aim is to run the pig script on the MapReduce mode only, but it is not good to verify your code directly on a huge data set. That's why first we run our pig script on a local mode. Okay, the main purpose of the local mode is only for verifying our pig script, whether it is working perfectly or not. We will verify that one in the local mode by taking a small data set. We will run that pig script on a single machine which is not connected to the Hadoop, on a machine which is not connected to the Hadoop. How the pig script will run internally in the local mode means it will take help of the local JVM, Java virtual machine, as well as it will access the files using the local file system. If it is successful there, we will use the same pig script on the MapReduce mode. Okay, and we try to apply the same pig script on a huge data set. Here, what will happen is the pig script will be converted into a series of MapReduce jobs, which are then run on the Hadoop cluster. That is the main small concept of execution modes of the pig scripts. What are the available execution modes of the pig scripts? Local mode and the distributing mode, or MapReduce mode, or Hadoop mode. See, we have briefly see this diagram. Okay, the pig scripts are given to the pig Latin compiler. We will see later what is this grunt. Next topic we will see that this what about this grunt pig script. This first part we will see in the next topic. We will understand different types of giving the writing the pig program. What are the different ways of writing the pig program? We will see this one later. Okay, the pig script is given to the pig Latin compiler. Then the compiler will have two modes are available: local mode, Hadoop mode. Hadoop mode will use the Hadoop cluster. Local mode will use the local job runner. Okay, the local job runner means the job runner in our single system. It will use. Clear. This mode is generally used for testing your pig script. If it is okay, then this will be used for directly applying on the Hadoop cluster on a huge data set. Hadoop cluster, it will be used. Clear. These are the different ways. The same thing we have here. Okay, the same points. If we have a terabytes of data, మనకి terabytes of data ఉందనుకోండి, to perform operations, if we have terabytes of data to perform operations, we have to write a pig script. మన రాసిన pig script డైరెక్ట్ గా ఈ టోటల్ terabytes of data మొత్తం మీద వర్క్ చేయడం, ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఏ గుడ్. Okay, to test your pig program on this total huge amount of data. Okay, ఈ huge amount of data మీద మన pig program test it not good. It will slow down your total process. So what we will do is, first we will take a small amount of data from the terabytes of data. We will take only small amount of data and we will verify that whether your pig script logic is correct or not in the local mode. మొత్తం డేటా మీద ఒకేసారి పిక్ స్క్రిప్ట్ అప్లై చేయకుండా మన రాసిన కోడ్ ఏం చేస్తాము, లోకల్ మోడ్ లో ఒక స్మాల్ సబ్సెట్ ఆఫ్ డేటా, ఈ టెరాబైట్స్ లో ఒక స్మాల్ పార్ట్ తీసుకుని దాని వరకు అప్లై చేసి టెస్ట్ చేసుకుంటాము వెదర్ ద పిక్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఈస్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఆర్ నాట్ వితౌట్ ఎనీ బగ్స్ ఆర్ నాట్. ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఓకే, ఓకే, ఇఫ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఈజ్ రన్నింగ్ స్మూత్లీ, లోకల్ మోడ్ లో కానీ ప్రతి స్మూత్ గా రన్ అయితే we will apply the same thing to the full data set using MapReduce mode. Same script, we will apply the same script for the full data set using the MapReduce mode. Clear. Huge data ఉన్నప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ స్మాల్ డేటా మీద అప్లై చేస్తాం లోకల్ మోడ్ లో. అది సక్సెస్ అయితే we will apply the same thing for the full data set using the MapReduce mode. That is the briefly today's concept of execution modes and operations of the Apache Pig. Okay, what are the operations of the Apache Pig Latin language and what are the execution modes of the Apache Pig Latin language? That is briefly the today's concept. Clear, guys? అందరూ మొత్తం 20 మెంబర్స్ లాగిన్ అయ్యారండి టుడే క్లాస్. అందరూ రోల్ నెంబర్ పింగ్ చేశారు కదండి. If anybody forgot to ping the roll number, immediately ping your roll number. Roll number ping చేసిన వాళ్ళకి అటెండెన్స్ వచ్చిందండి. I will see the chat box. తర్వాత chat box కి అటెండెన్స్ నోట్ చేసుకుంటాను. Clear, guys? If now the class is completed, if you ping your roll number, happily you can leave the class. I will wait for 2 minutes. If anybody have not pinged your roll number, I will wait for 2 minutes. Thank you very much. What did you think to understand, Pramod? రోల్ నెంబర్ అటెండెన్స్ అండి. రోల్ నెంబర్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి అటెండెన్స్ కన్సిడర్ అయ్యేది. మీరు చాట్ బాక్స్ లో రోల్ నెంబర్ పెడితే ఆఫ్టర్ సమ్ టైం నేను చాట్ బాక్స్ చూసి రోల్ నెంబర్ నోట్ చేసుకుంటా అండి. చాట్ బాక్స్ లో రోల్ నెంబర్ ఓకే అండి. నో ఐ యామ్ లీవింగ్ ద క్లాస్. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. I hope all of you picked your roll number.